You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting, but yes, it is indeed a confusing word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. There are indeed two different ways of pronouncing it. This is probably why you're here. You want to know which one is correct? Well, they are both correct. Multifaceted. Multifaceted, that's more the British English pronunciation, UK, but it can also be pronounced as multifaceted. Now, the Americans will also use a flap T, that sounds like a D, and say multifaceted, multifaceted, or multifaceted. So, multifaceted or multifaceted. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.